Ugh. Was rice flour always this heavy?
Well, today we're making giant tea Tteokbokki. Slow with the water.
Too late. Now it's adventure dough.
Roll it long, cut it neat. Tiny logs today, spicy legends tomorrow.
Red sauce alert. Sweet, spicy, and dangerous. Just how we like it.
Stir slowly. This sauce needs respect. Too thick? Too thin? Just trust the vibe.
In they go, one by one. This is where Tteokbokki officially wakes up.
Veggies joining the party. Balance is important, even in spicy food.
Yeah.
Now we wait. Every bubble means more flavor.
Sprinkle sesame seeds like you're finishing a masterpiece.
Looks good enough to frame.
Mission accomplished.
Did you like it?
Then don't forget to subscribe.